No sneaking around, no hacking, and certainly no threats. In the law, it's not what you know that counts, it's what you can prove. Today I'm talking about how to prove adultery in Georgia divorce, so let's dig in. So proving infidelity is not as simple as just pointing fingers and shouting accusations. So to build a solid case for infidelity, you need tangible evidence, not just any evidence. Legitimate, court-worthy proof that stands up to scrutiny. Here are some types of evidence that can be used to prove adultery in your divorce. First one is direct evidence. Your golden ticket to proving adultery is direct evidence. This includes eyewitness accounts, or better yet, a confession from your spouse. It could even be their lover spilling the beans after things have gone bad. I've experienced that one happening on multiple occasions. While direct evidence is the most straightforward, it's also the trickiest to obtain. I had a case once where the other spouse was charging the hotel room to my client's credit card because they were an authorized user on the card. My client got instant notification of the hold being put on the card, sent a private investigator over to the hotel, and an hour later got photos of their spouse and their lover exiting the hotel together and kissing goodbye in the parking lot. Now that's pretty direct evidence. Okay, the second kind of evidence is circumstantial evidence. If direct evidence is elusive, don't give up hope. Circumstantial evidence can still build a very compelling case for proving infidelity. This evidence includes proving that your spouse had both the opportunity and the propensity to commit the adultery. For instance, photos of your spouse and their suspected lover being affectionate, or chat logs discussing their affair, those can both be crucial. Demonstrating opportunity might even involve getting some GPS evidence, iPhone location sharing, eye tags, or pictures of them entering a hotel together. Let's talk about navigating the legal landscape. Before you start playing detective, it's important to understand that not all evidence holds equal weight in the eyes of the court. Illegitimate means of gathering proof can backfire on you, and that'll result in your hard work being useless and your evidence unusable, so don't do that. Here's a crucial piece of advice for you: play by the rules. So the first rule, legitimate collection. Courts frown upon evidence obtained through illegal means. You can't just sneakily access your spouse's phone or coerce a confession or hack into their emails. To ensure that your evidence holds water, it must be collected within legal boundaries. Okay, second thing, no sneaky business. Resist the temptation to resort to questionable tactics. No sneaking around, no hacking, and certainly no threats. Courts take a really dark view on this kind of evidence collected under duress or through unethical means, and it might end up hurting your case more than helping it. Georgia's legal system takes a tough stance on the admissibility of evidence, so understanding the rules of the game is crucial to avoid any nasty surprises in court, so keep this in mind. First, hearsay hurts. Courts don't lend much credence to hearsay. While gossip might make for really interesting conversations, it's not going to stand up in court. Stick to concrete evidence that paints a clear picture of the alleged infidelity. Second, get professional guidance. Navigating the legal system can be overwhelming, which is why hiring a seasoned divorce lawyer can help you navigate the process and ensure that your evidence aligns with the legal requirements. Another consideration, and something I did a video on very recently, which you should go find and watch: if you're going to try and use your spouse's adultery as justification for denying alimony, you'd better file your divorce on the grounds of alimony. So go watch my other video for a detailed explanation. You need to know this if you're facing this situation. So to wrap up for today, whether you're aiming to use direct evidence or whether all you have is circumstantial evidence, remember that the legitimacy of the evidence and the way you obtain it is crucial. Play by the rules, get a great lawyer, and approach the process with diligence. When you do all that, you'll be on the road to proving the allegations of infidelity, and it could lead to a much more favorable outcome for you in your divorce. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, whatever is appropriate for the platform you're watching it on, and turn on the alerts so you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. Please share these videos with people you care about who need to see this information, and repost them, and let's get this information out to people who need to know. Also, leave us some comments. Let me know if you have questions or suggestions for other video topics, and let me know your thoughts. I really want to hear what you have to say. Just keep it polite. Remember to join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody and join in the discussion. And as always, I look forward to seeing you on the next video.